Hello, everyone. Today, I want to address a question that many creators have been silently asking. If we follow all of YouTube's rules, why does our content still struggle to reach the right audience? In July 2025, YouTube removed the global trending page, replacing it with category-based charts, a redesigned Explore section, and AI-driven. At the same time, they updated monetization rules to exclude inauthentic content like repetitive, mass-produced, or low-effort AI videos from eligibility. YouTube says its algorithm prioritizes viewer satisfaction, personalization, and engagement. But creators often feel invisible unless they invest in paid promotions. While YouTube never states that paying improves reach, many suspect that advertising budgets, even small ones, slightly boost visibility. I am not accusing YouTube of unfairness, but it's worth asking. In a platform that claims to be merit-based, should organic creators face an uphill battle compared to those who can pay? Let's start this conversation. Share your thoughts below. You know, when I started this channel 3 years ago, my goal was to provide a different kind of entertainment. Something that didn't rely on clickbait, controversy, or chasing fleeting trends. Instead, I wanted to explore topics that many found interesting, but YouTube's algorithm seemed to ignore. But now that so many creators are facing similar challenges, I'm wondering if the algorithm has changed, if viewers' interests have shifted, or if YouTube's definition of success has expanded beyond views, watch time, and ad revenue. When YouTube removed the global trending page, they said it was to make discovery more personalized. But some argue that this change limited the potential audience for niche topics. Category-based charts and AI-driven recommendations may be more efficient, but they also reinforce existing biases. After all, how many of us end up in an endless loop of videos that only cater to our immediate interests? This lack of exposure to diverse perspectives can create echo chambers that stifle intellectual curiosity and prevent us from engaging with ideas outside our comfort zones. And then there's the monetization update. By explicitly excluding certain types of content from eligibility, YouTube is essentially telling creators that some topics or formats are not worthy of financial reward. It makes you wonder, what kind of content does YouTube actually want? Is it actively discouraging creators from exploring certain subjects or producing content that doesn't conform to a specific mold? Now, I'm not suggesting that all successful YouTube channels resort to clickbait, controversy, or chasing trends. There are many channels that maintain high standards while still achieving widespread recognition. But it's hard to ignore the suspicion that paid promotion provides an unfair advantage. A suspicion fueled by YouTube's own opaqueness about its algorithm and monetization policies. So here's to hoping that this conversation leads to more transparency, not just from creators, but from platforms too. Because in the pursuit of success, whether it's measured in views, subscribers, or dollars, transparency builds trust, and we all deserve both.